Well, today's project is some asphalt millings. We're going to be spreading it out down that way, along this wall here, and along over to there. It's pretty much as far as we can get with it. I'm going to do some grading first over there about where the tractor is, and pull that level down to give room for this. I'll try to get some video throughout the day. I'm not very good at video editing, but we'll see what we can do. Thanks for joining along in the tractor adventure. adjust the box blade so that it doesn't grab as much soil and helps spread it instead of grabbing it. So we loosen this, and what we're going to do is we're going to lengthen this up so it tilts the box blade and it lifts this front blade up and pushes that back one down. So you can reach in here, and what that'll do is when you get enough of a lip there, that'll deposit the rock in the low spots. So you just keep checking it. You see how that blade's coming up off the ground? It won't dig into the dirt as much, and that'll help deposit and smooth out a driveway. There seems to be about a good. You can test it. This is a lock spanner thing. And we'll go from there. See how it tilts it back? That'll make it to where if I back push with this back blade, it'll dig in really hard, but the front one, it won't dig in at all. It'll just kind of skim over the top of it. Welcome back. So as you pan around and see, I spread the piles out, kind of graded it down a little bit. You go back and forth in the bucket, and again, and kind of helps deposit material into the lower spots. What I have plans down the road is, over here in this loop that goes around the tree, is I'll bring in 4 or 5 more loads for that. And I mean, you just look at it, and just a little bit of time back dragging with the bucket, and smooths it out pretty good. You drive over this enough, and it'll pack down almost road quality. They use it for road beds. As you can see, I've done out there, that's almost as hard as asphalt now. Next year, or maybe late summer, I'll be able to seal that and then ultimately chip seal it and have an asphalt road. If I need to touch it up with anything, it's relatively easy to grade and fix it. Thanks for watching. Any questions, comments, like and subscribe. Appreciate it very much.